Hello there, this is Luca with Native Video, and today we're talking about Clubhouse. Yes, very interesting new app entirely based on audio, a social app entirely based on audio. If you're familiar with House Party, you may understand how this works. You basically create rooms and people can join conversations in listening mode, and if they're allowed, they can also talk in a room. So it's entirely based on audio. And I want to talk about it for three main reasons today. The first one is that they did a very clever launch, invites only, with fear of missing out, and with key celebrities involved at the launch, and that really created a lot of buzz for them, and that's how they got to the place where they're now, which they're exploding, literally exploding. Two, well, audio works. It's a very good experience. I've found myself, losing more time than I care for in using this app. And it's very interesting to see how audio, both for consumers and for businesses, is really taking off in many different forms, from podcast to Clubhouse to, and this is the third point, using audio directly in Salesforce. Yes, because Native Video has just launched in beta only, and for a couple of clients, our new latest feature, which is audio only, enabling our users to create audio notes in Salesforce, to send audio notes as audio messages directly and professionally from Salesforce, and then possibly also creating a podcast channel directly within Salesforce. So very exciting for us. But coming back to Clubhouse and the use in consumer and business, let's actually take a look at it. I've received an invite, so I'm in, and I can show you. It's a bunch of rooms that are themed, so you can see who's in the room, but also what people are talking about and who the moderators are. You can see at the top I have invites with a star, so I can invite people, or I can allow them in and allow them to jump the queue. I have a scheduler that will tell me what's coming next, because a lot of these rooms or conversations can be actually in the future and scheduled, and I can kind of make a reminder to join them. Alerts, and I'm actually connected to my Twitter account to create my account and to pre-populate it immediately and immediately enjoy it. I imported from Twitter. So let's actually join a room. But just quickly, if I join this room, you see the experience starts with you seeing at the top of the list. Well, there's also a message there that reminds me of the community rules. Top of the list, there are more moderators that are talking in this live podcasting. You can describe it in this room, and then a bunch of people that are in listening in only mode. I can actually request to speak if I want to. I can add my contribution if I want to join in the conversation, if the moderators will allow me to do so. I can also leave quietly, which is advisable when you want to stop hearing what's being discussed in the room, and maybe move on to a different room. You can see there's a bunch of them there. There's more that you can explore. It's really a long list. The limitation here, or is the opportunity is it's all about what you care about, so your interest, and also your languages. So you have to declare the languages that you can understand and speak, so that the experience is optimized for you. I hope you enjoyed this super quick review. It's not even a review of Clubhouse, an introduction to Clubhouse. Well, you heard it here first. If you hadn't heard it before, you'll see this is going to be very big. Let me know what you think, and if you want an invite, maybe in the comments below. Talk to you soon.